In New York City, art student Joey and engineer Mark teamed up to create a lifelike statue that sneezed whenever someone passed by. They filmed the hilarious reactions and uploaded the prank videos on YouTube, quickly gaining popularity. Inspired by their success, they made more videos with different lifelike statues, eventually creating a top-hit YouTube channel. Their unique combination of artistry and engineering captivated viewers worldwide, and they received requests for custom sculptures and event collaborations. This story highlights how an unexpected idea, fueled by collaboration and creativity, can lead to extraordinary adventures and friendships. Who can you team up to bring some idea to life?